Renyun, Hunan, Busbar Company Limited located in Longli Industrial Park, Changsha, Hunan Province, it is a national high-tech enterprise focusing on the design and production of bus ducts, cable bridges, metal conduit and their related accessories. The company's main products include dense busbar, S-series busbar, air insulation busbar, resin cast waterproof busbar, fire-resistant busbar, data center busbar, common box enclosed busbar, sprayed cable tray, galvanized cable tray, hot dip galvanized cable tray, stainless steel cable tray, metal conduit, etc. We support customer customization. It is widely used in industrial plants, commercial buildings, rail transportation, data centers, and many other fields. In recent years, our company has continuously increased investment in intelligent manufacturing and successfully achieved the metamorphosis from traditional manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing. We have advanced production equipment, as well as industry-leading automatic inspection and high-precision testing equipment to ensure the accuracy. Manufacturing processes are carried out in strict accordance with international standards. To provide customers with efficient and transparent manufacturing process and intelligent service experience. The main customers are Sany Group, Zoom Lion, Huawei, Volkswagen, and other well-known enterprises.